What's up, everybody? Harper from Cookie's Garage, back again for episode 2 of restoring my Honda Civic. This time we got tires, and I have a helper. That's my girlfriend Savannah. So in this video, we're gonna clean up these wheels, and we're gonna hopefully try and get them on the Civic tonight. So, getting a phone call. They got ignored. So let's get into it. But before I've never really cleaned wheels. I've just kind of bought them and put them on. But these need some TLC. So we're gonna clean them, right? All right.
Keeping you close. I don't know if what we had was real. Every time I've been thinking on my mind. Every time what you hear is on my mind all the time. All the time. Keeping you close. I don't know if what we had was real. Every time I've been thinking on my mind.
Okay, so as you can see, these are certainly going to need some more tender loving care in the future, but for the price I paid for them, I'm pretty happy. Yeah, it's really not a bad price I paid. So next thing we got to do is put those onto that, and then hopefully I don't even have to adjust my coilovers, because that's going to be a pain in the ass if I have to do that, right? Right. All right, we got the wheels on. I've barely looked at it. I cleared out the spot. Hello, honey. So we're gonna get in and we're gonna check out these wheels. Now, it looked like I didn't have to adjust my coilovers, but we'll figure it out. Sounds so good. Not. There's so much I have to do to this thing, but you gotta buy at least one fun part first before you gotta buy at least one fun part before you buy some of the maintenance items. So let's check. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh, that's gorgeous. Honey, is that gorgeous? Yeah, it's gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Better than some steelies, that's for sure. Look at that. The fitment is still good. Oh, man. That looks so good. I need to take her to get a wash. Look at that. What dust? Okay. Well, let's see what's recording. This has been episode 2 of restoring my 1998 Honda Civic hatchback that I bought for $968. Man, I cannot get over how good it looks. Compared to some steelies, yeah. Yeah, it looks real good. Alright. Take care, people.